I was just here last weekend performing at the Waikiki Aquarium, and I see people that was here last week, here tonight. And I'm so sorry because you guys couldn't have planned the same song. I'm like, Doug Mahalo, he's such a strong supporter of Hawaii music, and believe me, I'm so grateful. It doesn't go unnoticed. So appreciate that love and the support you give us. And Mama Sachi, she's all the way from Japan, and she comes to all the performances. Yeah, Mama Sachi. Even when we're in Japan, we see her at all the performances over there. And so we're so grateful that you aloha this music, because we sure aloha this music. We'd like to present to you the ladies of Halauna Leikau Makaoka, doing for you one of our very favorites. I just want to get lights or what on these satellites? Oh, never mind. No need to use the satellite stage, because we need to be in the light, yeah? Yeah, come in the light. Oh, you guys just didn't mess up our... We saw the stages, we got excited. We can do tricks. They excite us all, more like. So you gotta like, there's girls on the satellite stage, just imagine. Try to imagine what they look like. We do for you a hula classic, Nani Wale.